Coming out of that, you're gonna have that mix of refrigerant. I keep it blue because you want to split it down the middle and think of two different sides. You have your high side and your low side. So you're gonna have that mixture travel out and go into the evaporator. In the evaporator, the rest of that liquid, as it travels through, is gonna boil off. You're gonna absorb heat from your indoor space. The evaporator is indoors, your condenser is outdoors. It's gonna turn into a vapor, boil off, and basically you're gonna turn it straight into vapor where it comes out into the suction, where you have low pressure, low temperature, superheat.